Hey everyone, and welcome back to Babies, Bills, and Beauty. My name is Ray. If this is your first time here, welcome. And today's Tidy Up Tuesday. I am doing a new series. I need to organize my kitchen cabinets and my kitchen drawers so I can make it Ray appropriate. That's right, Ray appropriate. And so this video was recorded back in the end of February, beginning of March. I just didn't upload it right away because I was trying to get several of them together. So now that I have a bunch of them lined up, I'm going to go ahead and get this series started. So this is episode 1 and I hope you guys enjoy it. So basically the first item I purchased was a Joseph. I'll put the link down in the description box where I got mine from. I got this one from Amazon, but they do sell it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and that's where I originally wanted to go, but I had no plans to go right away. When I was like, let's go ahead and get this kitchen organized, so I went to Amazon, and it was here the next day, and the girl got started. So I washed it, got it good and clean, and I'm hand drying it. And I'm going to go through all my silverware and all my utensils and just start organizing these drawers. Now, it was a work in progress. It's still a work in progress because I was messing up when I first was putting all my stuff away. There's little symbols on the Joseph to tell you where to put your forks, knives, and spoons at. I had mine in there upside down, right side up. It was a mess, but you're supposed to stick them in there where the part you eat from is facing inside and the handle sticks out. So I got that together. And then, some of the utensils you see, I don't have those anymore, and I purchased some new ones. But anyway, this is the first part of this series. In the next episode, you will see me work on my seasonings and my spices. So, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching it, and I'll jump back on at the end, you guys. right, you guys, this wraps up this week's Tidy Up Tuesday with Ray. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed my series, and if you're not subscribed, please stop what you're doing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it if you join the family. And as always, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.